Sanjeev, there's been a lot of debate about the working hours per week. Not to put you in a spot, but what are your working hours like? Are they 70 hours? Are they 90 hours? Are they lesser? Is there, do you believe in the 70-hour per week discussion that's been going on?
I don't work. That's why I can afford to be here at this time. No, we don't control how many hours somebody works. Yeah. There could be certain roles. If you're on a factory assembly line, of course, you have to go as per a particular time discipline there. Yeah. We look at people's output, and that's very apparent. So what we started doing in our companies about 8-10 years ago is, how do you even rate an employee end of the year? Yeah. If somebody likes somebody, especially, okay, we will all know maybe 50, 75, 100 people we work with. Now, today we employ across financial services about 120,000 people. There is no way we can know the bottom 90%. So eventually then it is left to Mr. XYZ and who's reporting to him. If he likes him, that guy gets a bonus. If not, he gets a lower bonus. We matricized 95% of our jobs into monthly, weekly tasks. You do that task, you get your bonus or you get your incentive. So we try to take the politics out of it and make it as objective as possible. And we think that plays a very important role. Of course, if you're senior management, the role is a lot more qualitative. But then those people you know, because those are the people you're working with. Yeah. So we don't go into who's how many times. But yes, we expect people will be, for example, after COVID, I think within a day or two of opening up, once the government allowed us to open up, we were all back at work. Yeah. We were not working from home. Somebody had a medical problem, somebody was pregnant. Of course, you were compassionate about that. Yeah. But we said if we have to be in the innovation business and not at the commodity end of the business, you can't innovate by being on 4 Zoom screens. Sure. You have to be together with people. Yeah. So there's a large qualitative aspect, and I can see people here from the film fraternity. You can't do creativity on screen. Yeah. You have to be together. You have to mud wrestle. Yeah. There are ideas in the corridor that you end up coming to your mind. You go to that guy and say, "Arey, aisa kyun nahi kare?" Yeah. So we want people to be there at work. We don't control how many hours. Yeah. Based on the output, they get rated, they get rewarded.